Namu kamu kukali mu kamera.
Oh, this guy got the road here.
Bayo bari ko. Sabi tamu. Tadi yang dia. Huh? You also go into hand over to see idea. You see idea to me there. Now, what I'm going to do, you know what I'm also just going to take their galleries to take the picture. Huh? If we are through with taking outside, then I open the inside. When you are done, you're done.
So my phone. I'm using my phone. And so let's get what? I got to bring it up one day. Yes. Chibuli. I went to pick the other vehicle. I'm getting done here, then I come. Like 15-20. Huh? Hey, I'm the one driving the I'm on Woody Hammer.
Huh? Hello, you open for them the inside part. Show them the blood.
There's another bullet that should be.
I don't know what is blood.
You do it?
Kintu vamu, kintu chokuveemu.
Uli kale.
Use this bit fun.
Buena. You're done, eh?
Point. Let me point at this point.
Count from outside if you want to get the actual number. Count from outside where it passes.
Okay. Right.
Jangu,
They want you. are interested in the vehicle, what do you want again? Doesn't mind. Yeah, Joan Kagezi, haven't we just arrested the suspect of recent? They had taken how many years? Huh?
Waliwo atanabo bone omaliriza zazalo tukeringa mtoyi na kifaananyi musumba kukomyewo.
Kale.
Yesterday we understand you were analyzing footage.
But I thought you wanted the vehicle. Now I brought the vehicle. Okay. Update is that yesterday the forensic team and the ICT team took the footage of the various CCTV cameras that were along the routes that Pastor Bujingo and the deceased used up to where they were shot at. So that analysis of CCTV footage are still ongoing. The analysis that was done by Directorate of Forensic at Naguru were to analyze the projectile that were got from the body of the deceased, and the projectiles are also being analyzed. The analyzing is still ongoing. We want to see does the bullet that was used or the gun that was used, has it ever been used somewhere else, and is it for who? So that analysis is still ongoing. Today, after thoroughly examining and documenting the vehicle that was shot, that the victims were moving in, and after thoroughly examining and documenting the vehicle, they handed over, the Directorate of Forensic handed over to Director CID to continue with the investigations. So it is now an exhibit which is under the hands of CID.
Finally, we have seen the vehicle being whisked away. Where is it being taken?
The vehicle, because here there is small parking, the vehicle is being taken to Old Kampala, where Old Kampala Police Station, where the jurisdiction, where the assailants attacked the victims. So it is where it is being taken, to Old Kampala Police Station.
Afande, people are questioning whether Pastor Bujingo has made a statement, has recorded a statement with police. Has this taken place? If no, why not? And how long is it going to take before he records them?
I need to verify that one. I have not yet asked, but let me verify that one shortly.
Afande Muluganda.
Onakyabuuza bibye. Have you people recorded the statement of Pastor Bujingo? Okay. Somebody was asking me whether we have recorded a statement from Pastor Bujingo. Yes, we have recorded his statement, and the statement is on our file. So we have recorded his statement. Oba amawulire gye nyinza okubawa